As you know, we can use many different process to draw a peacock. So here we're going to use a simple method. Let's see. First we're going to draw an elliptical shape like this one. So very simple. Then you can just extend it, do a little more curve for the head, and do the connection. It's like a drawing long neck. Okay, and this is the extended portion. So after this one, so these are going to be the feathers, and this is for the neck and the eye. You can see basic shape. Now let's make it a solid color, putting the color with the color pencil. So mostly it's going to be a simple solid form of drawing a peacock. This can be used as an art form for painting in the walls or some mural artworks or drawing on the marbles. Then we're going to draw some symbolical extended feathers on the top. Okay, so this is one, then drawing again one, so number two, awesome, and another one. This is for the number three. All right, and here we're going to draw seven of them. Okay, so this is number one, then again two, three, four, five, six, and seven. So this just looks like the tail, long tail of the feathers of the peacock, and we're going to put some ornamentation or decorative circles in the middle just to show nice appearance. So you have seen the feathers of the peacocks. There are some circles, bright circles in the middle. So you can see that as a symbol. This is a very nice artwork for the peacocks, and as you can see here the double line, so you can also put some extensions of the lines and you can increase the thickness. In that case it's going to look better. Okay, sign pen is always good. Okay, all right, so same thing goes for all the parts, okay. And also you can use the pencil, color pencil, to make some, you can see here, connected shape through the pencil works. Put some dots like this one and put some hatches. Okay, so that it looks like a little bit solid here. Okay, so all right, the cross hatches, and also you can put the hatches on the top. So this is it, very simple drawing. I hope you like the video. Stay tuned, see you in our next videos. If you like to see more, you can browse through the playlist. We have thousands of drawings in different categories. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.